Welcome to DIY Yolande. Yes, you are in my bedroom today, but that is because we are building my headboard. I've been procrastinating doing this DIY for over a year now. So what I need for you to do is I need you to first like this video, hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. We are turning this into this. Here is a shopping list of all the items you will need for this DIY. For this headboard, I will only need 3 RYOBI tools, the famous circular saw, a drill and sander. For your wood, 5 210cm by 20cm wood pieces and 3 160cm by 7cm. All details will be down in the description box below. Because we are cutting, we will need to set up my RYOBI workstation. Okay, so you've seen me take out my workstation. Stunning, it is so convenient. This piece, we are going to cut off 60 centimeters off it, a custom size for my headboard. Okay, so let's go. Here I am marking off 1.6 meters. I'm clamping my wood in position so that we can cut it. I love grabbing things out of my apron. When working with a circular saw, you want to run the saw as it approaches your wood so that it gives a clean cut. Now we repeat the exact same steps for the 2 other legs of my headboard. Okay, so the next step, guys, is we are now assembling the actual headboard. I'll put down the 5 headboard pieces. I'll put the measurements up here. Face them down the right side up for our headboard, so that our headboard in the front looks very presentable. So the nicer side of these pieces will be the front side of the headboard, and then the not so nicer sides are going to be at the back, and then these are going to be our stands. We're going to have 3 legs. Let's go. I'm clamping these babies so that they don't move. I'm going to clamp the other side too. So from the edge, we are measuring 16 centimeters. So this is going to be the edge for both ends, for this end and also for that end. Then now, to ensure that this is straight, we use our carpenter square. And now we drill. You do need to connect the battery, Yolande. It's awesome being able to use one battery on multiple tools. Props to you, RYOBI, for this. Let's get loaded, baby! When inserting a drill bit, lie your drill down like this. This helps position the drill bit in the center. We're drilling 9 nails on each panel. To maintain a flush look, which actually means your nail sinking through your wood, use a drill bit that is bigger than your nail head and drill in 1/2 centimeter. Phone battery died, so I had to fill in the wood filler off camera. So due to the fact that this is reclaimed wood, it has holes, hence I put in wood filler. Yay, it is 17:22. I am exhausted. My fingers have the wood filler to prove. I am now just going to shower and relax for the rest of the day, and I will see you guys tomorrow when we continue sanding, and then the big reveal. See you tomorrow when we sand. But wait, I want to ask you, have you subscribed? Or haven't you subscribed? Stay tuned, and we are sanding down, and then it's the big reveal. I have a 60 grit sander on here, which I'm going to use to sand it down to a consistency that I'm loving. Because remember, this is a farmhouse style headboard, so it won't be perfectly smooth. So after the 60 grit, we are jumping on to the 120 grit sander. Once I'm happy with that, then we will smoothen it out as far as we can to a 240 grit sander. Okay, let's sand. We're going to be here for quite a while. Okay, let's time lapse, all right? I grabbed a grit sheet to sand down the edges. Can you also see the difference that sanding makes? Just look at this beautiful color that is coming out of this headboard. And also don't forget to sand the legs. Let's take her inside. And here you have it. I have a headboard. I'm definitely going to be painting this headboard. Because I do not know what color as yet, we will leave it like this for a while. This DIY is probably my most proudest DIY project. Thank you so much for getting this far in this DIY. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And more importantly, follow your girl on Instagram and on Facebook at DIY Yolande. And don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time.